welcome to the instructional video for Golden Spoon's Mission to Mars. In just a few short steps, you'll be on your way to light years of fun. First off, select your mission card. Next, each player pops out their 5 mission tokens and places them back in the box. The Golden Spoon token is wild and is always placed in the center of the table at the start of the round. The dealer then randomly selects enough mission tokens from the box and arranges them in the center of the table next to the Golden Spoon token. The tokens in the center should always be one less in number than players. For example, with 6 players, there should be a Golden Spoon token plus 4 mission tokens in the center. 4 cards are dealt to each player, with the dealer keeping the remaining deck of cards. Pro tip: be sure to check out the tokens on the table to see which ones you'll need for your mission card. Not all will match, but you can always go for the wild token. Gameplay starts when the dealer draws a card from the top of the deck and discards any card in their hand face down to the player on their left. This action continues as all players simultaneously pick up a discarded card from their right and then discard to their left. Each player should have no less than 4 cards and no more than 5 in their hand at all times. Once a player has 4 matching cards and grabs a token, then all players should rush to grab a token from the center. And since each player may only take 1 token, someone will always be left empty-handed. Each player with a token at the end of the round will either add the token to their mission card if it is part of their mission, or return it to the box. The player with the wild token must return it to the center of the table and select any available token from the box for their mission card. For subsequent rounds, play continues with a new dealer to the left until there is a winner. The winner is the first to complete their mission by collecting all 5 mission tokens. Woohoo!